Yo gang, slightly different video here today. As you can see, all of this, my gaming area, is a massive mess, so I need to sort it out. So I'm going to make a gaming console unit where I can put all these things in one go without it being much of a mess. So this is the before shot. Let's get on with it. Okay, so what you're going to need is some wood, like these planks here. You're going to need some So step number one, you need to measure out how wide your unit's going to be. So I need it to be 57 inches. You need to work out your height as well. The height I'm going to go with is just below the shelf, which is going to be 28 inches. Boom. Okay, so I've marked out 57 inches and I'll put the line across there, and that's what we need to cut now. Okay, so now onto the cutting part. You need to make sure you've got your safety specs on. Make sure the line where it needs to be cut is nice and straight. Use safety precautions at all times. Turn the machine on. Right, next part, we have to measure out the 28 inches for the sideboards and then cut it. Okay, so the next part, you get your drill, you get your screw, and you just need to screw through there and drill the screw in. Okay, so when you join all the pieces together, you should end up with the box, just like this. Okay, next step, cut out your dividers and place them in the appropriate place. So once they're cut, they should look something like that. So I've decided to paint this black, so go ahead and paint whatever colour you like. Next step, I've decided to cover it in some felt, cut it out to the appropriate length and size, and then stick it wherever you want to go. Next step, if you want to install them, is putting these LEDs together. So once you've installed your lights, it should look something similar to this. Here we go guys, finally finished, all up to date. It's quite bright here this morning, so you can't really see the lights and stuff, but that's a complete gaming unit finished. That's for the monitor connected. That's the TV all working, BT broadband, and then a few pads. Got a lot of the tekken games, so they've got to be in there. And then I've got my old PS2, my old PS3, PS4 Pro, PS4, wannabe Super Nintendo, arcade stick, slimline PS2, Sega Mega Drive, laptop, just a few pads, and the HD 60S game capture card, just a webcam, and my old Xbox 360. So I hope this video has been of use to you. If you like it, like and subscribe, and let us know what your setup looks like. This is what the multi-games console unit looks like in the evening time, when it's darker outside and all the lights are off. With the LED lights, you can flick the button, press the switch, and obviously they'll do whatever colour or setting you like, or whatever mode you want it to do. It looks quite good. Ceiling also lights up. It's all brilliant. None of this is going to make you a better Tekken player, I'm just saying, but it looks a lot better than what it was before. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for further Kazuya content. Peace out.